Hi, welcome to this lesson of guitarforme.com. I'm Antonio Rico, and today we're going to be learning the solo of Crazy Little Thing Called Love, obviously written by Brian May. This is one of the few guitar solos that Brian played using a different guitar than his Red Spatial. It was actually played on a Telecaster. So stick with me, I'm gonna be showing you the different licks. If you're new here, consider subscribing and click the bell notification so you will know when I publish a new video. Alright, so let's have a look at this first part of the solo. It's 3 bars, what I just played. The first one is a pickup line, and then we go in the first 2 lines of the solo. And I've got the charts for this, so you can follow the link and go and download it on the website. Alright, so let's have a look at the first bar, which is the pickup line. We basically playing here on the 10th fret, okay, it is 2 notes. And we're getting there with a slide from the 9th on the up beat of 1. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and this is the phrase. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright. Just make sure that you play everything with a swing feel. Okay? There is a bit of a shuffle in the song, so we don't want to hear the notes like that, but there must be that bounce. So very important. We start then playing these bendings on the 13th fret, 1 tone. So it's 1, 2, okay, 1, 2, and then there is a triplet. Pull off, so bending, come back and pull off. 13, 11. And then on the 3 of the 3rd bar on the tab, we do play the bending again, and then on the upbeat, we got this note staccato. So we play it and we stop it immediately. So this section here is 2. Now this is the second lick. We're going back to this double stop, and again sliding from the 9th and on the end of 1. So 1 and 2 and 3 staccato. On the 3, then on 4 we go back to this double stop. 12th fret, 2nd and 3rd string, 10th fret, hammer on, and then again 10 and triplet. And then 10th fret. So, Alright, this is the 3rd lick. Now we're going back to the 13th fret, 2nd string, and we do a 1 tone bend again. But now let's have a look at the timing. We're basically starting on the end of 4, we play the note, and then we bend, and we need to get to the next note 1 tone up on the 1 of the next bar. So 3 and 4, and then on the end of 1 we're going to play with the pinky, the 1st string, while we're getting always the bending up, okay? So then on the 2 again, on the 3 we got a triplet. So tone up, back and pull off, 13, 11. And again we play the bending on the 2nd beat this time, and the note on the up must be staccato as well. So Okay, this is the last lick. Now we're moving everything up 1 tone, And on the end of 4, we play this 11th fret, double stop again, and then we will slide on 1 on the 12th fret. So 3 and 4 and 1, and then we play 15, 12, 13 with a bending, quarter bend, but 14, 11, 14, 14, twice staccato, okay? So 3 and 4. Then we go on the 16th fret, we play a triplet with a bending of alpha tone. We come back and pull off 16, 14, and we hold the sound. I have other videos on Brian's main style. If you like this one, just check the playlist and carry on learning his riffs, licks and techniques. And if you like these videos and they are helping you become a better musician, please like and share. And if you've got any questions or something to add, you can leave a comment under the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.